Look, you want to sit over there?
We got dogs for
You got a dog too? Yeah, Gunner's here. And we got Bojangles. Hey, Kaelyn, where's your spoon?
I found a penny.
Got no spoon. We're just cutting. Where's your spoon, gal?
Good job.
Yeah.
We all have
Logan,
four.
show me how you're eating with that
Do you
spoon.
even have napkins?
No, we got nothing, dude.
Hey, guys.
Bojangles suck, man.
Guys,
Bojangle sucks.
I have a YouTube channel. It's called Kaelyn's Beast World.
Oh, yeah?
You might watch that.
Check out Kaelyn's channel, guys.
I make some channels.
All right.
Started.
Back at the Elk Knob Summit. Oh, it's only 1.9 miles? That's not bad at all. All right. Ready?
Hi.
Where are we going? Elk Knob. Remember we got to that one spot where you guys are sliding down? Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, well, there's no snow up there, so you won't be able to slide down. Huh? Yeah.
Daddy, can I use a bottle?
You want some water?
I need some.
Yeah. Yeah. You need water, bud? Yeah? You didn't even lose a breath. How'd you do that? What? You just sit on your dad's shoulders? Oh, that's the perfect hike. We made it, guys. All right. South view or north view first? Tallest one right here. You see that over there?
Yeah.
Can you see the eyeball with the dips eyeball and then got the chin?
Yeah.
That's Grandfather Mountain right there.
Whoa.
You see that all over there?
Yeah.
Okay. That's Snake Mountain.
Where is it?
That's right there.
Oh, I see
The closest one to us.
So
Yeah.
So it's made out of snakes?
They just call it Snake. So Noah, Luke, Abigail, and us, we went to Unica a long time ago. You look at that top one. You see the one close to us, right?
Yeah.
And you see the one right behind it, really, it's almost blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were there a long time ago.
Wow.
Yeah. See if you can find the other one.
Yeah, let's find them.
Yeah. That's Hanging Rock. That's close to where I guess like close to like Winston-Salem. Yeah. Trying to make its house. This side is not as windy, but this side is more of like Virginia. Yeah, this spot right here, you can fish anywhere. Oh, let me get my sunglasses right quick, bro. You got yours? Look for bedfish. You can at least see the shadows.